News just coming in. Heavy traffic jam on National Highway 44 in the state of Haryana due to farmer protests. Several vehicles are struck due to this agitation. Farmers are on their way to Delhi to protest against farm laws. Let me go across to Gurpreet, joining us live with more information. This is National Highway 44 that we are talking about. Several kilometer long jam from Kundali is being reported. Let me check with Gurpreet how exactly things are on ground. Gurpreet, over to you for the latest details. What is the level and extent of this traffic blockade that we are talking about at the moment? What's happening on ground?
Well, yes, of course, that if we can talk about Haryana, some of the farmers, they have already moved towards Delhi, and we are reporting with the farmers. The farmers say that they are not going to drop their plan because they have decided to move on, despite having the borders have been sealed from all over Haryana. Some of the Haryana farmers, they have decided to move on. So we are with the farmers, so we will talk to them to understand that what plan do they have. आपको सरकार कह रही है कि हम तो जाने नहीं देंगे दिल्ली, तो आप दिल्ली जाने के लिए तैयार हैं?
बिल्कुल तैयार हैं जी। सरकार जितने मर्जी बैरिकेड लगाए, कुछ भी प्रबंध करे, हम दिल्ली जाकर रहेंगे। ये हमारे हक की लड़ाई है, हमारे भविष्य की लड़ाई है, और हम हर कीमत में इस लड़ाई को लड़ेंगे और अपना हक लेकर रहेंगे।
तो क्या आप सरकार के बावजूद भी आप क्या जाने के तैयार है? क्योंकि सरकार कह रही है हमने आगे बैरिकेड लगाए, आगे नहीं, इससे आगे नहीं जाने देंगे।
सरकार एक बैरिकेड लगाए, दो लगाए, इससे हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता भैया। हम दिल जान से इसमें अपने हक की लड़ाई के लिए लड़े हैं, और हम अपनी धर्म पत्नियों को, अपने माँ बाप को एक हार घर पर देकर आए हैं हम फूलों का, कि अगर जिंदा आ गए तो हमारे डाल देना, अगर नहीं आए तो फोटो में डाल देना। इससे ये तो होगा कि कल को हमारे बच्चों को तो फक्र होएगा कि हाँ हमारे पापा, कि जब ये अध्यादेश लागू हो रहे थे तो तुमने क्या किया। लेकिन हम वो मान से कह सकेंगे कि हमारे पिता जो है जंग में जाते हुए शहीद हो गए।
Well, we can see that the spirit of these farmers, they say they are not going to drop their plan at all, whether the government is going to put pressure on them or not, that they wanted to go to Delhi. And from Haryana, let me tell you, from Ambala, that they have already marched toward Delhi, and this is the march with whom we are going. And they say that they are going to Delhi because they have already decided to move to Delhi. So that's why they have already moved. Even on the national highways, we have seen that there are a lot of jams, and they say that they don't want to face any problem at all at the same time. So I'll request my VJ to show that the whole march, that how these farmers on the tractors, they are moving from one place to another place, and they have already on the way. So we can see from the live visuals that how despite Haryana government, they have been claiming that they don't want the farmers to go, but at the same time they have already marched towards Delhi. So these are the tractor rally which has just started from Ambala. So we can see from live visuals. We will also try to talk to the farmers also, that what plan do they have, what they have decided, because the Haryana government, they are mounting a lot of pressure on them. आप चल पड़े दिल्ली के लिए?
हाँ जी दिल्ली के लिए चल।
जो हरियाणा सरकार कह रही है, हरियाणा सरकार ने काफी आपके नेता का, जो किसान के नेता है, उनको
हरियाणा सरकार झूठी है, बिल्कुल झूठी।
तो आप मार्च करोगे, दिल्ली चलोगे, और जो फार्म लॉ है उसके
अगेंस्ट नहीं मानने के हम वहीं पड़े रहेंगे दिल्ली।
So well, we can see that the spirit of these farmers, they say that they don't bother about the governments also. They have decided to move on, and with that plan they had already moved from on 25th, because this has been decided from 26th onward that they will march towards Delhi. Delhi Chalo Andolan by the farmers all over India, and from Punjab, especially Punjab farmers, they wanted to go to Delhi, but all the borders have already been sealed by the Haryana government. But these are the visuals, so we will see these visuals again, that they have marched from Haryana. So we will also try to talk to them to understand that आप हरियाणा से हैं?
हाँ जी हाँ।
तो आपने आज ही मार्च कर दिया है, 26-27 को जाना था आपने?
हाँ जी, 26 को वहाँ दिल्ली पहुँचना जी वानू। अगर आज चलेंगे तो जब कल को पहुँचेंगे जी वहाँ।
तो जो सरकार कह रही है हम नहीं जाने देंगे,
तो हम जाएंगे किसी, जो तीनों कानून हमारे ऊपर थोपे गए हैं, हमारी मौत का फरमान हमें, इस सरकार वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, किसी का भी हो, चाहे गोली मारो, हम गोली खाएंगे सरकार।
Well, we can see that hard statements are being given by the farmers leaders. They say that बेशक हमें गोली मार दें, लेकिन we will keep on moving, and we have decided to reach Delhi on 26th and 27th. That is their program, that is their plan. So we can see these visuals that march has already been started from Haryana. The Haryana farmers have already decided to move on, and they have already moved. These are the tractors. They are going with all the facilities. They have taken the food also. They have taken the beds also, and they have moved towards Delhi. Despite Haryana government is putting a lot of pressure on the farmer leaders in the morning, but we have learned around 73 farmers, they have been arrested by the Haryana government. Despite their arrest, we can see that how long there is a rush, and that there is a proper tractor rally. They are going on the tractor. They have decided to move towards Delhi, and as per their plan, they had moved towards Delhi. Back to studio.